Did you know that over 20% of remote workers now choose to work at night? With companies running 24/7, nighttime remote jobs are becoming a gold mine of opportunity. And today, I'm revealing some surprising roles that you probably didn't even know existed. So stay locked in because you might just find your next remote job. Hey, what's up? I'm Donisha, and welcome to Full House, Full Hustle. If you're looking for flexible work from home jobs that allow you to set your own hours, you're in the right place. Nighttime remote jobs are on the rise and they're perfect for night owls, parents juggling kids during the day, or just anyone who wants a more quieter, distraction-free work environment. But these jobs go beyond customer service. I'm talking about opportunities with serious earning potential while the world sleeps. So if you're interested in these opportunities, I want you to hit that like button and stay locked in. Can I get candid for a second? Most people assume that remote jobs are strictly 9 to 5 or even 8 to 4, but that's far from the truth. Many businesses, from global corporations to startups, need workers round the clock. The challenge is finding nighttime remote jobs that fit your skills and that pay well. So whether you're looking to make extra income or looking for a full-time remote opportunity with non-traditional hours, I've got you covered. And before we dive in, if you haven't already done so, I want you to hit subscribe and sign up for notifications to never miss new ways to make money from home. Let's break down some unique nighttime jobs that you may not have considered. I'm going over 5, so stay locked in and pay attention. Number 1 is virtual customer support non-phone roles. Yes, I said it, non-phone roles, which could make a huge difference for those that need to work at night but also stay quiet. They don't want to wake the little ones, they don't want to wake the significant other. And a lot of companies are offering chat and email-based support overnight for international customers. So if you're really good with handling people, talking with people, communicating over chat, like text messaging or even email, this could be a really good opportunity for you. Number 2, freelance writing and editing. With global clients in different time zones, content creation and proofreading jobs are in demand at night. And honestly, freelancing is taking over the game right now. A lot of people are going this route because they understand the flexibility that they also need as a startup company or business owner. Number 3, transcription and captioning. A lot of businesses and even YouTube creators need overnight transcription services to keep up with their content schedules. This is huge for these people who are trying to stay on task and they're doing so many things throughout the day. To be able to hand that off to someone who can keep up with it, transcribe anything overnight is huge. Number 4, remote IT and tech support. Now, if you're in 2025, you know tech and IT have taken off and it's needed, especially for companies when you think of security and such. So a lot of companies, they need overnight troubleshooting for their systems and for their clients. And number 5 is social media moderation. Brands and platforms need people to monitor comments, remove spam, and ensure community guidelines are followed overnight. So just because these business owners are sleeping at night, their company is going 24/7. So they need others to not only monitor things during the day, but overnight as well. So if this is something that you are interested in, you're good with branding or you're good with social media in general, this could be a good fit for you. If any of these jobs sound like a good fit for you, let me know in the comments because I love hearing which opportunities you're most excited about. But here's a nighttime job that might surprise you, an online juror. Did you know that law firms pay people to review legal cases and provide feedback before they go to trial? Let's look at this role a little closer. As an online juror, you get to participate in mock trials, offering your perspective to help attorneys prepare for real cases. This role is project-based, allowing you to choose assignments that fit your schedule. Perfect for working at night. Websites like eJury and Online Verdict connect you with these opportunities, and while the pay varies, I see that Online Verdict is paying up to $350 per assignment. It's an easy way to earn extra income from home, no phones required. The best part about working in nighttime remote jobs is you control your schedule and you work hours that make sense for you. But there's one thing you need to know. Not all remote jobs is legit, and scams are everywhere that I don't want you to get caught on fake postings. So check out my video on how to avoid scams when applying for remote work. Trust me, you want to watch this before you start applying. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you can stay in tune for new videos that drop every week. See you next time.